Is your phone suddenly freezing or lagging like crazy? Don't panic. This quick fix will make it run smooth again, instantly. So, let's get into it. First, open phone settings. Click About Phone, then tap 7 times the MIUI version. Now that your phone's set as developer mode, go back to main menu, and at the search engine, type developer option. Click on it and scroll down to look for logger buffer sizes. Click these arrows and set it to 16 MB. Now, go back to main settings and go to additional settings. Tap accessibility, select vision, then turn on remove animations. By doing this, actions like opening apps or switching screens happen instantly, reducing lag and perfect for fixing phone hanging or freezing issues. And that's it. Your phone should now be running like new. If this helped, give it a like and share it with someone whose phone always hangs. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you next time.